guys, I'm Michelle. Today I'm going to be doing an update of my Polene Numero Nano bag, so just stay tuned. I've had this bag for 2 years and this is pretty much one of my everyday bags. I love this bag. I did a review when I first got this bag in 2020, and I also did another video comparing it to the Alma BB. So be sure to check out those videos first to get an understanding of what my initial thoughts are with the bag as well. But yeah, I've had this bag for 2 years. My initial issue when I first got the bag, there was like an inch scratch on it. I can insert a clip from that, but I did buff that scratch out. And I was actually shocked that I was able to buff it out. So I was able to buff out that scratch, and I don't have any more scratches on this bag. So this isn't a bag that you have to be extra careful with. I'm not careful with this bag at all, and there is pretty much hardly any wear and tear on this bag. Now, what my main concern is this part, like how this will look because of the style of the bag. It is going to make this part, this is way more wrinkly than it was when I initially got the bag because of the style and how the bag closes. So that's really where the most wear is on the bag, is that part, because that's kind of inevitable because of the style of the bag. The interior is still great, still pretty clean in here. Usually I just throw like my Louis Vuitton mini pochette in here when I'm just transferring from different purses. Yeah, so the inside is still very clean. There isn't any wear on the inside. You can still see Polene very well, made in Spain on the inside. And for the handle, I don't believe there's any wear on the handle to me. I don't see anywhere. And for the strap, I know the strap is adjustable, but I haven't adjusted the strap since I bought it. Yeah, so it'll probably be more wear on the strap if I was adjusting it a lot, but there's just minor wear, like it's, you know, it's leather, so it's gonna wrinkle a bit. But other than that, the quality seems to be very, very great on this. The bottom is fine because of the feet that helps protect the bottom of the bag. And yeah, everything is in really great condition for me to have this bag for 2 years. So to sum it up, I definitely recommend this bag. Yes, get this bag if you've been eyeing it. Eyeing the brand, they do have a lot of cute different styles of bags, so I definitely recommend this particular bag because the quality is really good. And yeah, for me to have this bag for 2 years and not be extra careful with it, it's in really great condition. I definitely recommend this. And you know, because it has this, you know, it has this snap opening, I rarely open it. I usually keep it closed, and I'm still able to get in and out of the bag easily. So you really don't have to worry about that either. But yes, definitely recommend this bag. I want to stand up really quick. I'm 5'7", so you can see where it falls on me. So this is where it falls on me. And so this is just a quick update. I would definitely recommend you check out the other 2 videos where I gave an in-depth review on what fits in the bag, my initial thoughts of the bag, the process of me ordering it. Be sure to check out those 2 videos as well. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you would like more videos like this, providing an updated review on the bags that I purchased, please let me know down in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Bye.